sued or need to sue. Win small claims in 7 steps. Save lawyer fees and walk out with your judgment. A place where everyday people can seek justice without a lawyer. But even here, rules matter. If you're unprepared, you're likely to lose. This guide is your blueprint. We'll break down the process from forms to collecting your money. Whether you're suing or being sued, you'll learn the steps, the strategy, and the confidence to win. Let's get started. First, does your case even belong in small claims court? Every state sets a maximum dollar amount you can sue for, anywhere from $2,500 to $20,000. If your claim is over the limit, you must either waive the extra or go to a higher court. Look up your state's small claims limit on the court's website before you do anything else. This number determines if you can even file. Don't skip this step. Confirm your claim fits the court's rules before moving forward. Once you know you're within the limit, it's time to file your case. Download the complaint form from your local court's website. Fill in your info, the defendant's info, and most importantly, state the facts. What happened, when, and how much you're owed. Keep it clear and factual. Judges want facts, not feelings. File the form with the court clerk, pay the filing fee, and get a stamped copy with your case number. You're now officially the plaintiff in a lawsuit. Keep copies of everything. After filing, you must officially notify the defendant. This is called service of process. You can't do it yourself. Use a sheriff, process server, or certified mail depending on your court's rules. Follow the rules exactly. Improper service can get your case thrown out. Once served, the server files a proof of service with the court. This step is crucial. No service, no case. Check your court's website for the allowed methods. Now the defendant is officially on notice. Now focus on evidence. You win by proving your case with facts. Gather contracts, receipts, emails, texts, anything that supports your story. Print everything, organize it, and make copies for the judge and defendant. Photos and videos are powerful. Bring clear, dated images if relevant. Witnesses can help. Arrange for them to appear or get a subpoena if needed. Practice telling your story simply and clearly. Stack your evidence, documents, photos, witnesses, to tip the scale in your favor. Preparation is your best weapon. Court day. Arrive early, dress respectfully, and check in. When called, you'll swear to tell the truth. You'll have just a few minutes to present your case. Stick to the facts, refer to your evidence, and stay calm. Address the judge as, Your Honor, and never interrupt. After you speak, the defendant presents their side. Answer the judge's questions directly. Don't argue or add extra details. The judge wants a clear, factual story. Let your preparation and evidence do the talking. Stay focused and professional. After both sides present, the judge may decide immediately or mail you the judgment later. The judgment states who won, who lost, and the amount awarded. If you win, check if you also get court costs. If not, file for them. If you lose, appeals are rare in small claims. The judgment is usually final for plaintiffs. Read the judgment carefully and follow any instructions. Winning in court is just one step. The court doesn't collect your money. You do. If the defendant pays, great. If not, you may need to enforce the judgment. File a writ of execution to let the sheriff seize assets, garnish wages, or levy bank accounts. You'll need to know where the defendant works or banks. If you don't, you can request a debtor's examination to ask about their assets. Be persistent. Collection can take time. The judgment gives you legal tools, but you must use them. Don't give up if payment isn't immediate. That's the small claims journey from filing to collecting. The system is designed for regular people, not lawyers. Stay organized, stick to the facts, and follow the steps. You have the power to advocate for yourself and get justice. Download the free checklist below and subscribe for more legal tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.